starting. This is the subject of pharmaceutical analysis, and today's topic is source of impurities in the pharmaceutical substance. The origin of impurities in the drug is from various sources and phase of the synthetic process and preparation of pharmaceutical dose form. Majority of the impurities are characteristics of the synthetic route of the manufacturing process. There are several possibilities of synthesizing a drug. It is possible that the same product of different source may give rise to different impurities. According to the ICH guideline, impurities are classified as organic or inorganic impurities. So the impurities are obtained from the various source. We can say it as synthetic, or by using the, when we are preparing the pharmaceutical dose form, we get the impurities. But majority of impurities are synthesized is during a drug process. By according to the ICH impurity guidelines, there are impurities are organic impurities or inorganic impurities or residual solvent is also in count as in impurities. Organic impurities may rise from starting material, byproduct, synthetic intermediate and degenerate product. Inorganic impurities may be derived from the manufacturing process and are normally known as identified as reagent, ligands, inorganic salt, heavy metal, catalysts, filtrate aid and charcoal. Residual solvents are the impurities produced with the solvent of the above three types. The number of inorganic impurities or residual solvent are limited. These are easily identified and the physiological effect and toxicity are well known. For this reason, the limits set by the pharmacopoeias and the ICH guideline are guaranteed that the harmful effect of these impurities do not contribute to the toxicity or the side effect of the drug substance. So, the impurities are of different type. They are maybe of heavy metal, catalysts or residual solvents, which is impurities. Okay, but ICH guidelines has guaranteed that the जो harmful effects are came out if they are not impurities. Means if we are using a drug, the drug cause some action or toxic effect, then that are not due to the impurities. The situation is different with the organic impurities. Drug prepared by the multi-step synthesis result in various impurities. Their number and the variant of their structure are almost unlimited, highly dependent on the route and the reaction condition of the synthesis and several other factors such as purity of the starting material. So when we are using we are doing some synthesis of drug in multi-step process. In this, the unlimited impurities are came out in the process, and sometimes the impurities they depend upon the raw material which we are using. So impurities are and the purities of the starting material can be done by the method of isolation, purification, condition of storage. In addition, toxicity is unknown or not easily predictable. For this reason, the ICH guideline set threshold limit above which the identification of the impurities is obligatory. Now, source of organic impurities. Impurities originating from drug substance synthetic process. Second, starting material and intermediate. Third is the impurities in the starting material. Fourth is reagent, ligands and catalysts which we are used may be impure. Next, byproduct of the synthesis. When we are doing synthesis, some byproduct is also formed that can also cause and count in the impurities. Then product of the overreaction. When we we are doing some reaction and the reaction is overreaction, then the substance or the product which is came out is also an impurity. Then product of the reaction. When we are doing a reaction, there are many side reaction which occur simultaneously, and they are also known as the impurities originating from the degeneration of the drug substance. When the drug substance is degenerated, it also give the result of the impurities. Then enantiometric impurities. Most therapeutical drug use as pure enantiometers in natural products. The high level of enantio selectively of their biosynthesis excluded the possibility of the presence of enantiometric impurity in the case of synthetic drug. The racemate, which are usually enantioselective of the synthesis, or incomplete solution of the enantiomers of the racemates. So here we have completed the source of impurities and source of the organic impurities. Hope you will like the video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.